In today's video, I'm going to teach you, step-by-step guide, write better product descriptions in Shopify. Let's turn your product pages from feature dumps into stories that sell. The goal is simple. Connect what your product does to why your customer should care. Inside your Shopify admin, open your products list and click on the item you want to improve. At the top, you'll see the description box. This is a rich text editor, which means you can format your words to be easy on the eyes. Use headers to create structure, bold to emphasize key points, and bullet lists to keep details clean and scannable. The editing tools are there to guide your reader effortlessly, so take advantage of them. Start strong with a benefit-driven headline at the very top of the description. Keep it short and clear, and focus on the outcome your customer wants. Think of something like, "Stay warm without the bulk," or "Charge faster, every time." Then, highlight that line and change its format to heading 3. This simple tweak makes it stand out, grabs attention, and immediately tells shoppers what's in it for them. A great headline earns you the next few seconds of attention, which is often the difference between a bounce and a sale. Under that headline, write a brief human sentence or two that shows the product in a real-world moment. Instead of listing features like fabric type or battery capacity, translate those features into benefits. For example, don't just say 100% cotton, say it's soft on skin and breathable in warm weather. Make the reader imagine using it and feeling the difference. Keep your tone straightforward, avoid fluff, and stay aligned with your brand voice. Next, make the technical details easy to skim. Online shoppers scan first and read second, so switch to bullet points for specifics such as material, fit, dimensions, compatibility, and care instructions. This turns a wall of text into quick, digestible bites. Each line should answer one question clearly, like what it's made of, how it fits, and how to look after it. Clean formatting here builds trust and reduces hesitation. Finish with a clear next step. End your description by telling the shopper exactly what to do. Say "order now" or "add to cart" in plain language. A direct call to action removes guesswork and nudges the customer forward. When you're done, click Save in the top right. With a benefit-first headline, a concise story, scannable details, and a clear call to action, your product description is now clear, credible, and conversion-ready. Clean, scannable, and benefit-focused, your product pages are now professional grade.